Hello, this is Lois. Let's assemble the toys. Let's go!